मैं शहबाज bahawalpuri। जैसे कि आपको पता है कि हम रात को लाहौर से निकले चोलिस्तान जी के लिए 2024 के ट्रिप लेके। पहले हमने विज़िट किया मुल्तान ब्रेकफास्ट किया, वहाँ पे औलिया की सरज़मीन पे शाह रुकन आलम और शाह शम्स तबरेज़ का हमने वहाँ मज़ार विज़िट किया। इसके बाद हम आए उच्च शरीफ। अब उच्च शरीफ आपको पता है कि 1.25 लाख से ज़्यादा यहाँ औलिया के मज़ार है और यहाँ पे मैनी फॉरेनर्स जो हैं वो आते हैं, एक्सप्लोर करते हैं यहाँ के रिलीजियस टूरिज़म। अब इनके ख़्यालात हम जानेंगे पाकिस्तान के बारे में और रिलीजियस टूरिज़म प्लेसेस के बारे में। प्लीज़ गिव कमेंट अबाउट पाकिस्तान कल्चर, पाकिस्तानी पीपल, पाकिस्तान रिलीजियस प्लेसेस।
So it's all been absolutely fabulous. It's my second time in Pakistan. First time we went up to Gilgit, Chitral and up to the Himalayas. That was in 2018. This time we came to Karachi. We're travelling up to Lahore and then 2 of us are going to Peshawar. Everybody's very, very friendly. It's quite overwhelming sometimes. We posed for a lot of photographs. We love the food.
Yeah,
Food is fabulous.
Right.
We've had a fabulous time. We absolutely love it.
Alhamdulillah.
And what we really love about it, we found it quite unspoilt for tourists.
Okay.
Sometimes when you have a lot of tourists,
that's a great message you
know,
are giving locally and international platforms, and we will promote it on our social media platforms that this can build a good image of Pakistan outside the country. So, are you especially coming for 2024 Cholistan Jeep Rally?
No, just wanted to see the south, having loved the north, and of course lockdown happened, then we couldn't travel.
Appreciate it. So nice. So nice.
But yeah, I'd say to people, come now, because you're kind of first in and it's very exciting to be different.
Yeah, last 20 years we are alhamdulillah promoting our region. This is, on this trip I will celebrate my 20th working celebration here at the Mahal and Dirawar Cholistan. So wish us all very good life, and for you we wish and pray. Thank you so much for coming.
I hope
you are from?
Oh, I'm from London. We're Christian. Everywhere we're welcome.
Humanity is above all. Yes, exactly.
Very welcome.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for giving us a beautiful.
Thank you.
Fancy bars.
And good luck. Good luck.
So,
Thank you.